Hello, travelers. Welcome back to Jato Vacation. Today, we're talking about how you can get a visa to Dubai from India. Dubai is an exciting and luxurious destination, and applying for a visa is simpler than you might think. Let's break it down step by step so you can plan your trip without any hassles. Dubai is home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks, like the Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, and the Dubai Mall. But before you can explore, you'll need to get a visa. Let's start with the basics. For Indians, Dubai offers multiple visa options depending on the purpose of your visit. Here's a breakdown of the visa types and the application process. Step 1. Determine the type of visa you need. Dubai offers several types of visas for Indian citizens. Tourist visa, for leisure trips, sightseeing, or visiting family and friends. Transit visa, for short stopovers of 48 to 96 hours. Golden visa. Golden visa has exclusive benefits that enable individuals to obtain a visa for a long-term stay. This visa enables you to live, work, and study in the UAE. The business visa also comes under the golden visa system for business owners. Most travelers will apply for the tourist visa, valid for either 30 or 90 days. Step 2. Gather the required documents. Before you apply, make sure to gather all the necessary documents. Here's what you'll need to apply for a Dubai visa. Valid passport. Your passport should be valid for at least 6 months from the date of travel. PAN card. This is mandatory during applying for a visa. Passport-sized photos. Passport-size photograph with white background. Hotel booking or accommodation proof, where you'll be staying during your trip. Travel insurance, highly recommended, though not mandatory for all visas. Step 3. Applying for the visa. There are multiple ways to apply for a Dubai visa. Through a UAE-based airline, airlines like Emirates, Etihad, Fly Dubai, and Air Arabia offer visa services for their passengers. Through an authorized travel agent, you can apply through licensed travel agents in India. Through UAE hotels, some Dubai hotels can sponsor your visa, especially if you're staying with them. Online via e-visa portals, you can also apply online through government-authorized visa service providers. Step 4. Visa fees and processing time. The cost of a Dubai visa varies based on the type and duration. 30-day tourist visa, around 6,500 rupees to 8,000 rupees. 90-day tourist visa, around 16,000 rupees to 18,000 rupees. Transit visa, around 2,500 rupees. The processing time is usually 3 to 5 working days, but during peak travel seasons, it may take a bit longer. For faster processing, you can go for express service at an extra charge. Step 5. Receiving the e-visa. Once your visa is processed and approved, you'll receive an e-visa via email. This means no need to visit the consulate or embassy. Just print out your visa or save it on your phone and you're ready to go. How to extend your Dubai. Visa Dubai is an incredible destination that often leaves travelers wanting more. Fortunately, the UAE authorities offer the option to extend your visa for an additional stay, with many thrill seekers opting to extend their Dubai visa for up to 60 days. However, make sure you don't wait until the last day to apply for an extension, as doing so can result in a penalty of 100 Emirates dirham. To apply for the extension, you'll need the following documents. Passport copy of the traveler, passport-sized photos, a copy of your previous visa. With these in hand, you can smoothly extend your stay and enjoy even more of what Dubai has to offer. That's the complete process of how to apply for a Dubai visa from India. It's easy and efficient, and if you follow these steps, you'll be exploring Dubai in no time. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips. Safe travels, and see you in Dubai. Thanks for watching. For more travel tips and destination guides, stay tuned to Jato Vacation. Until next time, happy travels.